time. You recording? Yeah, you recording? Hey, welcome to Bike North channel. You see me? Hey, your mama and them. Run that intro, and we'll talk about stuff. Welcome to Bike North channel. Looks like it might rain back that way. A good thing we're going this way. So we're gonna run down to Carrollton, Georgia. They're supposed to be doing a Mayfest. It's something I seen on the books of faces. So we're gonna run down there, eat lunch, and run over to the vineyard, the Crafty rabbit, and then the vineyard something. Taffin, the vine at Holman. That's it, the vine at Holman or something like that. That's where we're going. Yep, that's where we're going to be. It was like, it rained early this morning, thunderstorms and all, and was supposed to rain, was saying, you know, high percentage of rain all day, but I think it's blew out. And maybe some isolated thunderstorms, but that's all part of it. Living in the South, living in the South. I got cat hair in my mouth. My dead cat shed. Oh, Lordy. Huh. I don't know. It would be one of those days. It's 68.9 degrees at 11 o'clock at 1,221 feet above sea level. Huh. That don't seem about right. Usually it's 1,100 something. Maybe we grow it. At an earthquake and the mountains grew. I'm just setting up taller. Put air in my tires. I don't know. Woo, watch that dirt on the road. They paving Stedman Road, and you probably can't see it because you're looking at me. But dump trucks been running up and down this road all day yesterday. So that's good. Well, they paved Stedman. That's going to be a fun little road. Got nice twisties in it. So where we going first is downtown Carrollton around the square. And like I said, it's going to be Mayfest. What it says, something about Mayfest. So there'll probably be a bunch of people down there and all. Maybe not, since the rain scared them off. And then, I don't know. I hope we can park in the parking deck. We'll see you when we get closer to Carrollton and go from there. I don't have no motovlog talk about stuff. Topics is what sells, I think, ain't it? Or we can just ride around and play John from Road Reality. He usually got a good some topics. Does he stick to them? Sometimes. Alrighty, folks, we in downtown Carrollton. Well, almost. We ain't in downtown. We just in the city limits of Carrollton, Georgia, in the Carrollton County in Georgia. Yep. What is, we must all stop man, bear, pig. What is a man bear pig? Man bear pig. I don't know. Is that like the new Cupacabra or something? I don't know. Oh, come on. We all going real slow and can't even make the light because some idiot don't want to go the right way. Yep, there is Mayfest going on, so we probably won't find a parking place. We'll see. A lot of people parking down here. Well. Hey, we're leaving the Mayfest. It was pretty cool. We did over some burger joint. I forget what. These people that come in here and just wide open, just about. Dive in looking. Just cut the corner, don't you? Trying to get down through here, but our truck's sitting all in the way. Can't see around them. Alright, yeah. Alright, this Crafty Rabbits should be right up here by the railroad tracks, I think. Thank you. If it's here, it should be right there. And there it is. It's Crafty Rabbit Mead. They got a honey wine, which is the oldest fermented beverage on the mead is. Mead is the oldest whatever wine or whatever when they started making alcoholic beverages. If they open, I don't even think they open. I just wondered if that guy had cut through the parking lot. Yeah, it looks like they might be open. Maybe. Yeah, it says open. Is that handicap parking there? Hop on in. We'll go check this place out. We leaving this place, Crafty Rabbit. It was alright. They wasn't much. I had a frozen drink. It wasn't that great. Should have been kiwi strawberry. It wasn't that. Wasn't strawberry and it wasn't kiwi. Alright. Let's see where we're going. Or she runs over me. Check this out, go across this old bridge. 10-ton weight limit. Whee! No, there it goes. Some historic bridge. Yep. Alright. We made a loop around the Crafty Rabbit, whatever. If you're a beer drinker, they got a wall full of tap beer, craft beer and stuff. Well, you just told me to turn here, now you tell me not to turn here. Check the speed buggies out. That's pretty cool. Don't see many of those anymore. May the 4th be with you. Day May 4th. It's also International Women's Riding, Female Riding Day. Whatever you want to say it. International Women's Ride Day, I believe what it's officially called. She's riding. Yeah, she's riding back there. You can't see her. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Hey, look, the lazy donkey. The lazy donkey needs a coat of paint. Alright, that winery, Divine at Homan, H-O-M-I-N-Y, Honey, I can't, it's on that road, right here, I believe. Yep, coming up quick. No through trucks. Get across this busy highway. Alright, it's supposed to be right here, I think. Is that it? I think that's where we're going out of. Come on, people. You blocking the whole driveway. Oh, private event open at 3. Private event open at 3. Ain't open. Well, I guess we'll go home now. We'll have to come back there another day. They should put notices out on their website or something that say we ain't gonna open at 3 o'clock because we got a private event going on. So, oh well. Okay, we didn't end the video right yet. There's a winery close to our house, not Fruithurst. This is Tiddlem, something like that. I don't know. We went here when they first opened, but it wasn't that great. But they on the wine trail, and she wants to get her book filled. So we'll try and see what they're going on today. It's down here at the end of this road. I think right here. I don't know where we turn at. We turn here or turn there. I think we turn here. Yup. Oh, good crowd. Ooh, that's a big rock.
Just swing around and park up here on the side. We're backing in and walking. Go off-road it.
Alright, that was, they had upgraded their wine list. Now it was alright. It wasn't as sweet as I liked, but she got 2 bottles here, so she's 4 bottles in the wind today on the International Women's Right Day. May the 4th be with you. Now back to the closing. We're going home. Hope you enjoyed our little Mayfest, Carrollton, and a little winery tour, and riding in the International Women's Ride Day. Anyway, go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. Hit the subscribe button right there, and you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up to all the women riders. Later.